Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is the Rover auction review discussion series. We're going to talk about where I seem to find some of the most attractive deals at dealer auctions, and it is the Carvana page. Mostly because, back in the day-ish, and I'm not the most seasoned dealer-related person, I know someone would trade in a car to a dealership of some sort, and if it couldn't be front-lined on the lot, it would be wholesaled to an individual or sent straight to the auction as just that we don't want to deal with it. Let's just get rid of it at whatever we traded on plus a couple bucks. These days, it's much more, due to the internet and due to these online auctions, it's much harder there's more room for interpretation with that. So, looking through this particular car, and it's a 17 diesel Sport, again, the Carvana, the way they do things is a little bit better because they'll list the cars. Most of them is a green light. They'll list everything that's wrong with them, above and beyond what most dealers usually do. And they'll even list the codes, not on this particular ad, of the things that are potentially wrong with it. So again, instead of spending time on the front end to diagnose and come up with the price, they'll probably get your money back on the back end after the sale so they can move the car, because they're going to make probably $2,000 to $3,000 on every car that's over $5,000 potentially. I'm not sure how the business model works, and this one's not too different, right? I think it's priced a little bit high, 14 grand, especially at wholesale. There are no bids, but it is a diesel, two-owner Range Rover Sport, which seems to be in fairly good condition, but as a check engine light, probably for DPF or emissions-related things, which kind of could potentially be thousands of dollars of intricate little fixes that, unless you can do it yourself, is not really going to be worth it. So, is this truck a deal at around 14? Sure. I don't know what the margins are. I don't know what the upside is. I don't know what a dealer would list this for, because there's a very small group of people that are interested in this in the used market, especially with a couple owners and a check engine light. But I'm sure somebody would want to. But again, these Carvana deals, again, they run every 24 hours. It's rolling bids, so it is a potential way to snag something you want. So that's another way we're able to locate decent cars for people at a decent price. Just because I'm not going to say they're honest trades, but they're not trumped up by independent dealers or anything like that. They're just traded into Carvana. They hit the lot. They get assessed. They get sold. That's it. If there's issues, you might be able to get some money on the back end. So, it's an easier way to do things. It's not a live auction. I mean, it's a live auction, but it's rolling bids. That doesn't roll across a block. It can just bid at any time. And usually the first bid is the floor, which is also nice. So it's a chance to get a deal. Not a lot of interesting Range Rovers on Carvana trade-in page recently, but when they pop up, they're worth looking at. This is the most interesting one at the moment. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.